Imagine this, getting to try the latest products from beauty to snacks for free. Yep, you heard that right, for free. Sound too good to be true? Well, let me show you how it's absolutely real with PinchMe, the ultimate way to discover and sample products you will love. Here's how it works. PinchMe partners with top brands to send you free samples in exchange for your honest feedback. No catches, no gimmicks, just real products delivered right to your door. It's like unwrapping a little box of surprises every month. PinchMe's free samples are available across beauty, food, and more, and accessible to everyone in the U.S. It's easy to sign up, and new samples are released often. So think about it, whether you're a busy mom looking to test out family essentials, or a foodie hunting for the next best snack, or a beauty enthusiast trying out top skincare picks, PinchMe is your ticket to discovering amazing products before anyone else. And the best part, your opinion actually matters. Brands value your voice to make their products even better. You don't want to wait. Signing up is completely free, and it takes just 2 minutes, and could be the start of an exciting journey of discovery. Click the link below and join the thousands of PinchMe members who are loving their free samples every month. What will your first box hold? Find out now. Your next favorite product is waiting. To join PinchMe, you can use my affiliate link in the caption below. Remember, free samples, real products, and your voice counts. That's PinchMe. Hit that link. Sign up today.